How to get rid of sagging jowls. What are jowls? So jowls are the sagging area that you see right along the jawline that actually droops down a little bit below there. You see this more with time, and some people see it a little bit more than others, just depending on your genetics. So what actually happens is there is a ligament right in front of that that affixes the skin and the muscle very well, and behind that things will start to descend, as everything does with time. And so it's actually a little bit of fat, a little bit of muscle, and a little bit of skin that come forward and come down, creating that jowl. What is the best procedure for sagging jowls? Honestly, the best procedure is still a facelift. So whenever we say facelift, this means this part and your neck lifting both at the same time. And so that creates that really nice defined jawline here, lifting that fat, that muscle, that skin back up to where it was supposed to be, where it should be, where it was before. There are a lot of different things that you can do for the jowls. There are thread lifts, there are liquid facelifts, there are mini facelifts, there's skin tightening treatments. There's a lot of different things that you can do, and those make improvements, and it will make improvements for a certain period of time, but nothing really gets rid of that other than the facelift. Can I get Botox for jowls? Botox actually doesn't work very well for jowls. What Botox does is relaxes muscles. And so that works great for places like between your brows, your forehead, places where your muscles move and it creates lines. But since this is already a laxity where the muscle is more lax and falling down below where we want it to be, the Botox would have the opposite effect of what you would actually want. Can I get fillers for jowls? Sort of. You can get fillers that will camouflage the jowl, so you inject along the jawline behind the jowl and in front of the jowl to create the illusion of a straight jawline. And this works for a year to a couple of years, depending on the filler that you use. It is hard to make it completely, totally straight, but can make it a whole lot better. So is it actually addressing the jowl? No, not necessarily. The jowl is exactly where it was before. You're just camouflaging it with fillers. Can I get a jowl lift? Yes, you can lift the jowls. Most of the time, this is called a facelift or an upper facelift, a mini facelift, just depending on what you're doing. Upper facelift or a mini facelift is the cheeks here. So if it's just a very small jowl, you can address that area with an upper facelift or a mini facelift. But if it's a larger jowl that goes down into the neck, you get the best results if you lift this mid face and the neck at the same time. That way you have that best pull along the jawline to make it really nice and smooth and pretty. Have questions? Call or email anytime. I help people like you every day. Schedule a consultation on my website now. Thanks for watching.